Hello, collectors of super deformed highway safety vehicles. I love the titles you can say with Choro-Qs because they make such random stuff. This is a Toyota 4Runner, and it's some sort of highway safety vehicle. I think this thing lights up telling you to go left or right or stop or slow down or something like that. And there it says standard '09 is 2009 is when this toy came out. There's a little illustration and some sort of QR code. Maybe that goes to the Nexco website or something. Alright, nothing else in there. Nice minimal packaging, so don't feel guilty throwing that out. Not as much as usual. Alright, well, I gotta say, even though it's a cartoon, it does look like that photograph. So I pulled up the right image, so that's nice. It's missing side mirrors, but it is a children's toy that's meant to be wound up and speeding across your floor, so it makes sense that it wouldn't have mirrors. Alright, let's see what else is going on here. Oh, I like the wheels. They're not standard 5-spoke Choro-Q wheels. I guess these are 4Runner wheels. They're nicely done. Like there's even a tiny detail of like some lug nuts in there. So very well done. Those are cool. Better than I was totally unexpected. So the door handle is nicely molded. It's recessed and sticking out at the same time. The window moldings are molded and painted black. So this hazard striping is pretty well painted. Not too blurry or anything like that. It's nice to see a real license plate, so that's cool. And then some black in the grills. The Toyota badge is extremely well done. That's like very crisp. And sadly the headlights are just silver. Well, there's actually a little bit of orange here, so better than usual. Okay, this side it's got this Nexco printing here and the fuel filler on this side. In the back we have more hazard printing, some reflectors printed there, the taillights. There's a little raised accent here on the trunk. And then it's got this Japanese printing of a hazardous situation coming up. And then on top of that you got this red painted light bar. It would have been cool if this was translucent. I see plenty of other Choro-Qs use clear plastic, but for some reason this one's painted. The body is really not dark at all. It's very transparent, more than I'm used to, because you can just see the motor right through it so easily. And then just a pretty plain bottom. Would have been nice if there was a date of when this was made. And then it would have been nice if it said Toyota 4Runner. Okay. Alright. Well, it's an interesting one. Even if it didn't have this goofy thing on the top, I just don't have a 4Runner in my collection, so I like it. It's not just a 4Runner, it's a really strange looking 4Runner. So let's pull out a couple other Choro-Qs. Seems like I have a lot of Toyota trucks. So here's a Land Cruiser, and you'll notice this one has translucent red lights on the roof. I swapped out the wheels and lowered them with using poster board putty. But this one's stuck here. This is a Mega Cruiser fire truck, I guess. And that's again got some translucent red lights up top from the Joyful Motorist Shop collection. And another one from that collection is this Land Cruiser with a yellow light up top. I seem to have some other construction trucks, so here's one from ChoroQ Targa. It's like a dump truck. This one actually moves to the bed as well, but I glued down the plastic beads it came with. You know what, hold on, let me get a higher elevation for you guys. And then TinyQ is a different brand, and they do a fantastic job with their details. This is a construction highway truck as well, and it's got the yellow lights there. But I like TinyQ because it can steer, it has rubbery mirrors. Very nice details on those guys. Here's another Choro-Q from 2005. It's some sort of Toyota truck that I think a vacuum cleaner truck. Like maybe it sucks up leaves, or yeah, I think it's like a leaf sucker or leaf blower truck. And then another tiny Q is this world champion tow truck. And the last one will be a ChoroQ again, but a fire truck this time around. That's a Targa ChoroQ. So there's just no way you could get all these vehicles onto this spin coaster if they were actually 1/64 scale. But super deformed lets you collect a lot of big things in a small physical size. And that's why I like them, beyond looking goofy. Let's let this guy spin out its own though. We need a cartoon character today. We got a Star Wars C-3PO. It's kind of yellow. Alright, well this is a great one. I'm happy I got this one. It's such a, I guess, ugly truck, but I like it. I like ugly things, which makes no sense, but I naturally like ugly and beautiful things. I just like things that are different. Alright, well thanks for watching again. I will try to pick up some more interesting castings from ChoroQ, and we'll see you the next time around.